Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the Mac ready. Update macOS to the required version and confirm M1 support. Once done, open System Settings and enable Apple Intelligence features so the system can process local models. Make sure you sign into your Apple ID and turn on iCloud Sync. This lets context travel between apps. Also grant microphone and camera permissions now, because denying them will block voice and visual features. This gets the device and permissions ready to use immediately. Next, configure how Apple Intelligence interacts with apps so you get useful results. You should open each app, Mail, Notes, Safari, and enable intelligence suggestions and summarization where offered. This ensures contextual responses. Then adjust privacy and on-device processing options so heavier work stays local for speed and security. Once configured, build shortcuts or automator flows for routine tasks like summarizing emails or drafting replies. That saves time because you can trigger. Now use Apple Intelligence in real work. Run sample prompts, ask for summaries, and refine prompts until outputs match your needs. Make sure to narrow context when answers wander and expand scope when you need broader insight. If features act oddly, toggle settings off and back on, then restart the Mac to clear transient issues. As a troubleshooting tip, check console logs for permission errors and revoke, then regrant microphone or iCloud permissions. That resolves most access-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.